Hi, welcome to today's Inktober. The word of the day is angular, and I had so many narrowboat ideas for that word. I've had to start my painting without you because I ran out of battery. I'll show you where we're moored up as well, because then you'll see how bad the light is and how crazy it is to actually try to film in this light. Kath's just entering the boat. It looks really bright outside, but it isn't. So, and on that side as well. So that's how dark it is in here. I added this one already, as I said, because I ran out of battery, and I'm not 100% sure how the light's going to go on this one either, but I absolutely love it to begin with. I really love the one touch idea where there's only one bit of watercolor. So what I want to do with this one is I want to try to make it so that there isn't a second layer on anything. So I've outlined it in pencil where I want the top of the narrowboat to go. I've done my bridge, I've done the foliage, and I'm going to try to just do the narrowboat now with only one layer. So that's my challenge that I've set for myself today as well. I hope that makes sense.